best midsize sports sedans for 2024 Cadillac CT4-V. In the highly competitive landscape of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V emerges as a compelling choice, blending exhilarating performance with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. As a member of Cadillac's esteemed V-Series lineup, the CT4-V embodies the brand's commitment to delivering a dynamic driving experience without compromising on refinement. Under the hood, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V boasts a potent 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering an impressive 325 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is paired with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring rapid acceleration and seamless power delivery. The CT4-V offers rear-wheel drive as standard, providing enthusiasts with a true sports sedan experience, while all-wheel drive is available as an option for enhanced traction and stability. The CT4-V's performance credentials are further bolstered by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Cadillac's magnetic ride control adaptive suspension adjusts in real time to varying road conditions, providing a perfect balance between ride comfort and dynamic handling. The vehicle features Brembo performance brakes that offer exceptional stopping power, ensuring confidence-inspiring performance during spirited driving maneuvers. Visually, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V exudes a bold and aggressive stance. Its sleek exterior design features sculpted lines, a signature grille with V-Series badging, and distinctive LED headlights. The CT4-V boasts a sporty profile with 18-inch alloy wheels, a rear spoiler, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance capabilities. Optional carbon fiber accents and aerodynamic enhancements further enhance the CT4-V's athletic appearance. Inside the cabin, the CT4-V offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, aluminum trim, and ambient lighting create an upscale ambience. The driver-centric cockpit features sports seats with adjustable bolstering, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and Cadillac's latest Super Cruise driver assistance technology. The CT4-V is equipped with Cadillac's user-friendly infotainment system, which includes a 10-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V. The sedan comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features provide added peace of mind and enhance overall driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V stands out as a top contender in the midsize sports sedan segment, offering a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the CT4-V promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.